Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss how to handle duplicate values. So what are duplicate values? Duplicate values are rows in a dataset that are exactly the same or repeated. What it means? Suppose, suppose I have a dataset and these are its columns, okay? And let's take this row. Okay, look at the values in this row. 25 services, single, high school, no, yes, no. Okay, look at the values in 11th number row. And now look at the row number 13. It is exactly the same values where it has. Okay. So we just need to drop these duplicate rows. Okay. Why we need to basically drop the duplicate rows? Because see, because duplicate data does not add any new information, right? Because it is already repeated. I have I have already its information. Okay. So we don't need the exactly same rows after it. Okay. It simply repeats the same record again. So we just drop the duplicate rows. Okay. So why do duplicates occur? Data entered multiple times by mistake. Somebody like entered single rows multiple times. Okay, merging data sets incorrectly. Someone is merging the data and by mistake it gets repeated. Okay, so these are the other things it is written. Okay, so how we can handle this using Python? Okay, so for coding purpose, we will use Jupyter Lab as I discussed in the previous video. Please download Anaconda Navigator for using Jupyter Lab. After downloading it, just search Anaconda prompt here. Okay, Anaconda prompt. Yes, Anaconda prompt. Write CD and just give your file location. Okay, it is my file location. Yeah, this is my file location. Control C, Control V, enter. Write Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab. Okay, press enter. It will navigate to your browser and open Jupyter Lab. Okay, it's loading. So as you can see, it gets open and I will choose this. And now suppose I'm renaming this. Suppose to handling duplicate values. Okay, enter. Now suppose first we will import some required libraries. Import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, ठीक? And shift enter. Now we will load the data set. I am taking a variable data is equal to td dot read slash csv. Okay. Now just right click, copy path and control V. Okay. Now we will check this data is loaded or not through data dot head. It will give initial few rows. Okay. I will take three rows. I have written three. Now shift enter. See, my data gets loaded and if you have Excel sheet, then you can write here Excel, okay, and you can give the path of the of a path of your file, okay. So, by the way, I'm giving the data set for every video which I'm using. Now, suppose suppose this data set has many duplicate values. So we just need to basically drop the duplicate values, okay, and nothing we need to do, okay. So how we can do that? Data dot drop duplicates, okay. See, data dot duplicates, drop duplicates, okay. We will write in place is equal to true, okay. In place is equal to true, which means it will update the data permanently, okay. Shift plus enter, it will drop all the duplicate value, okay. Now now my duplicate values are removed, okay. So so now I want to basically store the refined data. How we can do that? Simple. Write data dot to slash csv, and the name, suppose I'm giving some name like refine refine dot csv, or we can write cleaned dot csv. But make sure you will give index is equal to false. Unnecessarily it will provide your index like this one 0 1 2. We don't require this in my excel sheet, okay. Just write false, okay. Index is equal to false, okay. Shift plus enter. Okay, yeah. See, now shift plus enter. So you can see here clean.csv is downloaded, okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you.